I want to do a quick review on my favorite AirPods. These are the Apple AirPod Pro second generation. If you guys are familiar with the Apple ecosystem, I think they're absolutely amazing. I love everything Apple. Yes, I am a fanboy. This charger is a little bit wider than the non-Pro version. And you can see, open it there. This case holder also charges your device, which I absolutely love. So this will recharge both my headphones, which is absolutely amazing. I find that a lot of times I'm just wearing one. This way I can hear outside things if I'm on a walk, which is also nice. So if I were to ever drain it, which is rare, I put it back in and that one will charge and I'll grab the other one. Let's say I'm on like an airplane or something where I'm doing something, maybe a convention where I'm gonna be gone for a long time. That's a really nice little trick. But I absolutely love these. They are water resistant, so I use them on workouts all the time. I've even been caught in light rain as well, and I've had no issues. Highly recommend these AirPod Pro. They also, I'm sorry, I almost forgot, noise canceling. It was like double the previous generation with this one. They nailed it. They did a phenomenal job. I find that I use it on airplanes and travel, or if I'm in loud settings, even like a Starbucks or like a bookstore. Once again, highly recommend. Definitely check it out.